Covington homeowners enjoy a warm, humid climate with plenty of rainfall throughout the year. These conditions make energy efficiency a top priority, especially when selecting new windows. Awning windows, known for their top-hinged, outward-opening design, offer excellent ventilation, weather protection, and insulation. When paired with modern energy-efficient upgrades, they become one of the smartest window choices for improving comfort and reducing energy costs in Covington homes. Here's a closer look at the best energy-efficient awning window options designed to perform beautifully in Covington's climate. Double and triple pane awning windows for superior insulation. Single pane windows allow too much heat transfer, making it difficult to maintain indoor comfort. Modern awning windows come with double or triple pane insulated glass, which dramatically improves energy efficiency. Benefits include reduced heat loss during cooler months, better indoor temperature stability, less heat entering your home during summer, improved noise reduction. Triple pane windows provide the highest insulation and are ideal for rooms facing strong sunlight or busy streets. Low E glass coatings for heat and UV control. Low E, low emissivity coatings are a must-have for awning windows in Covington. This thin, invisible metallic layer reflects heat while still allowing natural light to shine through. Why low E glass is perfect for Covington's climate. Reduces solar heat gain during hot, humid summers, helps keep interior spaces cooler, lowers air conditioning usage, protects furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. Low E coatings allow homeowners to enjoy bright, airy rooms without overheating. Argon gas fills for better temperature regulation. Energy-efficient awning windows often include argon gas between the glass panes. Argon is a safe, non-toxic gas that is denser than air, helping slow down heat transfer. Argon-filled windows offer better insulation compared to standard air-filled panes, improved comfort during temperature swings, enhanced energy savings year-round. This feature is especially helpful in Covington homes where humidity and heat can vary widely between seasons. Vinyl and fiberglass frames for long-lasting efficiency. The frame material plays a huge role in overall window performance. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are excellent options for Covington homeowners because they are durable, energy efficient, and resistant to moisture. Vinyl frames naturally insulating, affordable and low-maintenance, moisture resistant, great for humid conditions. Fiberglass frames stronger thermal performance, resistant to warping and swelling, extremely durable and long-lasting. Both frame types help reduce air leakage and keep your home comfortable with minimal upkeep. Warm edge spacers for reduced heat transfer. Spacers separate the panes of glass in multi-pane windows. Traditional aluminum spacers conduct heat, reducing energy efficiency. Warm edge spacers, made from insulating materials, minimize this heat transfer and prevent condensation. Covington homeowners benefit from warm edge spacers because they reduce condensation buildup on humid days, improve the insulating value of the entire window, help maintain a more stable indoor temperature. This small upgrade goes a long way in improving window efficiency. Awning windows designed for better ventilation and lower energy use. Awning windows allow you to ventilate your home even during light rain, something especially useful in Covington's rainy climate. Natural ventilation helps reduce reliance on air conditioning, lowering energy usage. Awning windows provide fresh airflow without letting rain inside. Better humidity control. Controlled cross ventilation when paired with other window styles, improved indoor air quality. This smart design enhances comfort while helping homeowners save on cooling costs. Professional installation ensures maximum efficiency. Even the most energy-efficient window won't perform well if installed poorly. Covington homeowners benefit from professional installation that ensures airtight sealing, proper frame alignment, correct flashing to prevent leaks. Long-term performance and energy savings. Expert installation protects your investment and ensures your windows work at peak efficiency. A smart, energy-saving upgrade for Covington homes. Awning windows offer the perfect balance of ventilation, weather protection, and energy efficiency for Covington's unique climate. With insulated glass, low E coatings, durable frames, and proper installation, these windows help keep your home comfortable, reduce energy bills, and withstand humid, rainy conditions. If you're looking to upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows that deliver long-lasting value, Awning Windows are a perfect choice for Covington living.